बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने कम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था। उससे पहले हमने इमेजिनरी नंबर्स पे बात की थी कि इमेजिनरी नंबर क्या है, यानी आयोटा। आयोटा की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है। आयोटा की जो वैल्यू थी वो -1√रूट था। द वैल्यू ऑफ आयोटा इज -1√रूट और आयोटा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -1। The properties of iota, that is sum of any four consecutive powers of iota will be 0. यानी आयोटा की कोई भी 4 कंसेक्यूटिव पावर्स अगर आप लेकर उनको प्लस करें, द आंसर विल बी 0. हाउ? लेट्स सी. दैट इज आयोटा पावर 1, आयोटा 2, आयोटा 3, आयोटा 4. By adding these we will get 0 always. For example, iota 1 is iota square is -1. Look at iota cube can be written as iota square into iota 4 can be written as iota square whole square. Now by simplifying iota -1, this also iota square is -1, this becomes minus iota. Similarly, iota square is -1, by taking square this becomes iota -1 minus iota, and this is +1. So -1 +1 minus iota plus iota, you will get 0. Similarly, you can write like iota 11 plus iota 12 plus iota 13 plus iota 14. Any 4 consecutive powers of iota, the sum will equal to 0. The second one is iota has a period of iota has a period of 4. What does it mean? It means that after 4th power iota has repeated its values. For example, iota 1 is iota. Clear? Iota square is -1. Iota cube can be written as iota square into iota. This becomes minus iota. Iota 4. Iota 4 means iota square whole square equal to -1 square equal to +1. Now by taking iota 5, we will get iota. How? That is iota 5 can be written as iota 4 into iota. So iota 4 is equal to what? 1. By putting 1, we will get iota again. So iota 1 equal to iota and iota 5 equal to iota. So after 4th power iota will repeat itself. By simplification, the value, if you want, if someone asks you or in the question that what will be the power of iota power 2, let's say 250. The simplest form to calculate iota 250, you will just divide 250 by 4. Like this, 250 divided by 4, 6, 4, 24. This becomes 1, 0. 2, 4, 8. This becomes 8 and 2. Look at the remainder. The remainder is 2. We will just calculate iota square. So iota square is -1. This means that iota 250 equal to -1. I repeat, if in the question come like this, iota 250 equal to what? We have learned that iota has a period of 4. That is, after 4th power, iota is repeating its value. So 250 divided by 4, by division by 4, we will get the remainder 2. When the remainder comes here, you will take the power, this 2, this remainder, the power of iota. So that will be the required result. Next one. If in general iota power n, let's say iota power n equal to what? If n belongs to even, let's say even number, this will always be give you like iota square equal to -1, iota 4 equal to +1. So iota 6 equal to iota 4 into iota square, iota 4 equal to 1, and this minus 1, so minus 1. It means that iota power n equal to plus minus 1 if n is even. N is even. Similarly, iota power n equal to what? If n is odd. N is odd. Let's say, what happens when n is odd? Iota cube. You can write iota square into iota. Iota square is minus 1. So this becomes minus iota. Let's see iota 5. Iota 5. You can write iota square into iota whole square into iota. So iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. So this becomes iota. This means that when n is odd, iota power n equal to plus minus iota. N is odd. So from this we learn that iota power any number, the output will be plus minus 1 and plus minus iota.